our next manipulation is thumb web to elbow to brachioradialis. So to orient yourself for this manipulation, I always turn my body so I'm looking towards my client's head, kind of puts my body in the right, and I bring their arm up so that I kind of imagine that I'm underneath my client's wing. I'm gonna take my hand, and it doesn't really matter whether you're this way or this way, but I'm going for this thumb web area between the thumb and the metacarpal of the index finger. So I think I'm going to go this way, and I'm just looking for that pinch right here. Then with my other hand, I'm going to find the condyle of the ulna. So, sorry, condyle of the humerus. So it's this little bump on the medial side of the arm, and I'm just going to come distal to it, so towards the hand, about an inch or so on that tendon, and I'm looking for maybe a little crunchy, bumpy spot there. So I'm just a little distal, about an inch or so distal to that condyle, and then the rest of my fingers can wrap around to the brachioradialis, which is on the lateral side of the arm. And so I have 3 points essentially in my hand. Sometimes my client's really relaxed. Sometimes if you feel like your client is holding their arm up, you can rest their arm on your leg. And so I'm kind of playing around with these 3 points and seeing if I can get one or all of them to release. So already, while holding this thumb web, I felt it soften up and relax quite a lot while I've been holding it. I'm also finding that the point at the elbow has started to relax, and the brachioradialis was already kind of relaxed. I'm just going to move my thumb just a tiny bit to a slightly different point on that tendon. And this is alternate stimulation, so I'm doing a little bit of stimulation, friction at the thumb web, a little bit of friction at the elbow, a little bit of friction at brachioradialis, going back between the 3 positions.